MotorcycleDen, and today we are visiting Ash Cave.
There's the sign.
There's the sign. There's your sign.
Here's your sign.
Oh, here's your sign.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we visited before. We've showed you it, but the water's flowing pretty good, and we thought we'd come back and show you Waterfall. So
hopefully it's there.
Yeah. And there are the bathrooms at Ash Cave, and if you get a chance, I would definitely use the ones at Old Man's Cave, because these are not that nice.
It's an outhouse.
Yeah, basically an outhouse.
And the ones at Old Man's Cave are flushable.
Yeah, so
they're nice, and you can wash your hands. But this one, you better have antibacterial lotion on you.
There you have it, from the bathroom expert.
Yes, I don't like dirty bathrooms.
Oh, this is a very short trail. It's what, I don't know, quarter mile maybe, if that.
I don't know.
And nice paved trail. I think like at the very end, it's not paved.
Yeah, sandy.
So I don't know if you could go all the way with a stroller or a wheelchair or anything.
Right.
She had a story for you.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize I was telling it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're walking back here and we're with his parents. And as we're walking along, my mother-in-law had sandals on, summertime shorts. And we're walking along, not paying attention, talking, and all of a sudden a snake came out, went right over her foot. Because she had sandals on, it touched her actual foot. She was having a fit. She was not happy. I don't remember what kind of snake. I mean, it was a harmless snake, but I don't remember what kind you guys said it was. And stuff. Any snake's good enough for me to scream, but, I'd been having a fit too. Listen. Hear it? It's running today.
Yep.
You can hear it.
You can hear the waterfall.
Yep.
We're almost to it. Mrs. Den's excited. There we go. That tongue coming out again. Okay, guys. We're almost to it. Check out all that ice.
Look over there. See all the ice there?
Oh, yeah. That's cool.
That poor tree, see it?
So it is paved, the trail, all the way up till you get to the sandy part.
Something else, though.
Yep, gotta watch.
Yeah, I'm gonna
It's
get
either ice
ahead.
or something from a really big bird.
Is this ice?
So there is pavement, I guess, that comes all the way up to here.
Oh, but you see it down.
So you could, yeah, you can see the waterfalls from right here. And there you have it. This is Ash Cave, the waterfall. Alright guys, we thank you for coming with us. We hope you enjoyed Ash Cave. This is a shot from behind the falls, and it's a short walk. It's worth a little hike back there.
And it's flat.
It is, yeah. It's a perfectly flat trail. It's beautiful to see. You definitely want to stop off and see it. So we'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
See ya.